This Re/Max House Values property video is presented by Virginia Harpel. Circa 1830 stone cross Roads Schoolhouse, which has been sympathetically renovated and expanded to feature master bedroom plus ensuite bath and half bath, first floor family room / in-home office and second floor laundry. This historic property was Chester's earliest public schoolhouse. Featuring a 30x18 open living room with exposed original stone fireplace, early beams and wideboard oak flooring. Up the charming staircase are two wonderful bedrooms, one with large beautiful brick fireplace and one with open beam loft area. The newer areas of the home include a great room with cathedral ceiling adjoining kitchen, plus a fabulous new wing with family room, powder room with exposed stone, master bedroom with ensuite bath above plus in-ground 30x22 pool with heated and air-conditioned pool house featuring full bath, kitchenette and built-in beds. For more information, review the details below or contact Virginia Harpel at 973-650-1637.